obviously need to be closer. Okay, now let's see if I can grab this jump better. Since it'll be darker. I really suck at the whole recording thing. Like really badly suck at it. So let's try to get a little bit closer because I can't really see him. I still can't really see him. So let's go stand over here. Ooh, pretty. And he goes up there. And there we see him. Perfect. And he's over there. Woohoo! Okay, now we're gonna wait for him. We're gonna get a little bit closer. Ow, my shoe fell off. And we're waiting, and we're waiting. And we're waiting. I think he said one more jump. I don't really know. And he's jumping. Hooray! My phone takes terrible videos. Yes, it does. And he's passing us. Some geopeel. I don't really know what that means. I saw Spy Fox. Spy Fox. I hope they can edit my voice out of this. Especially if I'm going to put this on the internet, because it's kind of annoying. This really weird looking voice. I feel like he's really tiny. I wonder if I can, like, zoom in. Can I zoom in? I feel like I should be able to. But I don't know if I can. Can y'all see him? I sure hope y'all can see him, because if y'all can't, I suck. Oh yeah, y'all can see him. Wasn't that awesome? Oh look, now he's going that way. Yeah, that part's not really as impressive. I feel like nobody can see him. Ooh. Ah. I think I like edit parts of the good parts of the other video and this video and make them awesome. Because if not, these are both really suckish videos. See that white thing way over in that corner? Way over there? Yeah, what is that? I don't really know. Wasn't that cool, you guys? That was kind of cool. He went up that really big one, and you can't really see him. See, look, he's right there. A little speck. You see the little speck right there? Yeah, that's him. Now he should do something impressive, like not hit me when he comes down this hill. Oh, that's impressive. Impressive. Kinda. Should be a BMX biker or something. What does BMX stand for? Bicycle Mountain Extreme. I don't know. Maybe he should be an X Games dirt bike rider. So maybe he should flip. Can he flip? No, he can't flip on that. Why? I'm not really sure. Maybe because it's not high enough. He should jump off something cooler. See that tower over there? See that little tower right there? Yeah, he just passed it. What's in that tower? We should go check it out. Well, after I'm done recording this. because he wants an awesome video. Yeah. Here he comes again. Yep, here he comes again. Doodly 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 doo. Doodly 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 doodle. Here he is. Here he comes. Jump. Woohoo! He jumped. He jumped. Oh, awesome. Yeah, I know. I'm really wobbly. I'm a wobbly camera person. Aren't those clouds cool? I think the clouds are cool. Here he comes again. Here he goes again. Wham! Wham! That's a fun word. Wham! See, then he goes up that little, see there. He's a speck again. He's a speck. Look, he's a speck on a bicycle. He should try his best not to hit me. Yes, he should. Try very hard not to hit me. If he hit me, I'd be upset.
I didn't do so good.
So this is the last video. So let's see how awesome he does, because I feel like I suck at video taking. Which is probably true. I think I should get lower. And there he is, circling around, being awesome. Yeah, that's what he does. And now I'm walking, so we see his jump better. Because he's going to be upset if his jumps aren't awesome looking. So we have to make them look awesome looking, because that's what they are. They are awesome looking. Wasn't that awesome, folks? That was awesome. And here he comes whipping around again, because he's just that cool. Yup, just that awesome. What does he do, like 4 jumps a video or something? So I think 2 of them I'll be up here, and then 2 of them I'll walk farther down there. Yeah. So that I'm awesome. Awesome video. Awesome video. Now he's going this way. This video's not as awesome as I hoped it would be, because I'm a lame video taker. Okay. Don't hit me. Alright, okay, got that. Totally. Like he said, 2 more jumps. I will be awesome because I'm taking it like this. As long as he doesn't hit me, I'll be okay. Ba-da-da-dum, bum, ba-da-da-da-dum. Talk about it, talk about it. Ooh, yeah. In the jungle, the quiet jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. In the jungle, the quiet jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. Oh, we mow up, oh, we mow up, oh, we mow up, oh, we mow it. And there he goes, jumping again. That was kind of cool. If you could even see, can you see him? I feel like no one can see him but me. Which is really a shame, because that's kind of a cool looking jump, actually. When he does it and is all cool. Yeah, it actually looks really cool. Oh, y'all can see his dust. See, now he's the speck. See the moving speck? Yeah, that's Dennis. He's awesome. I can't see that. If I had a video, I could actually do it, and it would be okay if I had a real camera. But I don't have a real camera. I hope you guys can see that, because that's kind of, yeah. It's kind of lame if you can't see it, because, you know. Oh, now he's going to do something cool, like, just that, yeah. That was cool. I don't really know what he did, but it was cool. I think. I don't know. Shopping for a cool new car, which brings me a cool convertible or an SUV. Too bad I didn't know my credit was whacking out. You ever have a lot? NEU subcompact FREE that spells free. Creditreport.com, baby. Yeah, this is an awesome video. Oh, that's cool if you guys can see it. My camera phone takes awful videos. Awful videos, don't hit me!